Okay, last example. Which best describes the effect on f of x is equal to 2 times the value of x minus 5 if the slope changes to 10? So again, we've got to look and see what is changing. So the only thing that is changing is my slope is going from 2 to 10, and my slope gets bigger. So if it's getting bigger, if it started at a 2 and then it ends up at a 10, it's going to get steeper. So let's look through our answer choices. Is it getting less steep? Well, that doesn't make sense. If it's getting more steep, it's not going to get less steep. Okay, did we talk about any change for the outside number, it moving up or down? No, the only thing it talked about was that the slope changed, which is meaning that number, the minus 5, is not going to change. And then C, its graph makes 10 complete rotations. I never talked about your graph making a complete rotation. So that is not an answer. And by default, when you change your slope, you are going to change your x-intercept. So your x-intercept is either going to get closer to 0 if you are rotating it and getting it steeper. If it's getting closer to the y-axis in rotation, your x-intercept gets closer to 0. If your graph line gets flatter, you are rotating towards the x-axis, which means your x-intercept is going to get bigger. So that is the correct answer. Hopefully now you can see how you take your patterns for transformations, and you can identify what transformations are happening just by looking at where the values are located in your linear equation.